This is Thursday, June 11th, 2015, and Gracie is visiting in Kerrville. We've decided we want to make a cake, so here we go. We're getting started. We have our bowl, we've got out our mixer, and the first ingredient was 2 cups of sugar. All right, here we go. Adding the first ingredient to our bowl. Pour it in, Gracie. All right, here we go with our second ingredient. We're cracking 2 eggs in with our sugar. All right, just lay it down. Get your other egg. Perfect. Done. All right, we have added the next ingredient, which was our Crisco shortening, and now we're going to blend it with a mixer. All right, Gracie, here we go. We're ready for our next step. We're going to add our flour. Okay, Gracie. All right, we're ready to go again. We've added our buttermilk and our baking soda, and now Gracie's going to pour in the liquid cocoa. All right, Grace. We're getting close to being done. All right, we're almost through. We've added all of our ingredients, and we're mixing it up good with our electric mixer. Okay, we're done. We have made our chocolate cake from my grandmother's favorite recipe. We have added it to our pan, and now the fun part is what Gracie's doing right now. Licking the spatula and the bowl. We're fixing to put it in the oven for 30 minutes, and we're going to take it out, and she's going to decorate it.